So this is the first job that we have, which is in Pragati Software, right? And they want a freelancer trainer, which is in cybersecurity. They should have good communication skills. For sure, classroom training will be there. It's in Mahad. 4 December 2025 is the date, which is probably tomorrow, right? So just apply by tomorrow. One full day. They want 0 to 3 years of experience. People, those who can train, right? Check it out. Freshers can do. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. This is contact number. If in case they are not replying you on the mail, you can call sir kya update hai hamara. So you can just drop a message on this number. You can call them as well. Now next one is they are hiring for SOC analyst, right? The company is Laya Tech. Okay, guys, there's a lot of hiring into the entire industry, which is in SOC, right? Here you can see this is for the freshers. 1 to 3 years of experience required in Chennai. In case if you don't have knowledge about SOC, because guys, I feel like everyone should have knowledge about SOC because there's a lot of hiring. So you can check out this URL vihgroup.com/SOC. The other key responsibility you need to do, and this is what exactly they are looking for. This is the mail ID on which you can receive, right? Next one is once again, SOC, they want a trainer, L1, 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Companies, Cyber Annex, right? This is a mail on which you can drop your resume. And yes, again, SOC, which is on site, it's in Mohali. This is a timing shift, 6 months to 2 years of experience is required, guys. These are the skills which is required, right? This is overview, this is a requirement, and these are the preferences. Legit by dot is the company name. You can nasaini.legitbyte.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next one is security analyst mobile application pen tester. It's in Mumbai. Again, in case if you want to learn about pen testing, how exactly it work, you want to get a job, you want to get internship, you can check out this URL vihgroup.com/TCI. Responsibility, that's what you need to do in this job. भाई 10 लाख मिल रहा है, लपेट लो जितना लपक सकते हो, but it's for experienced people. So they want a experienced person, right? You can't be lapking all those things. So only experienced folks can do. So you can gain experience from here as well. They are the requirements, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. In case if you have 4 years of experience, CR Tech Systems is the company name. Next, cybersecurity trainer. Once again, bhai, kitna opening hai? There's a lot of hiring, so that's why I told you to just apply for SOC and web application pen testing. Their responsibilities, working hours very flexible. Cyber Protectors is the company name. Admin under cyberprotectors.info is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? And this is the last opening that we have, which is on SOC L1, L2, L3, SOC manager, L3 plus, right? This is Silicon Comment is the company name. Kirti.rostu@Silicon Connect. Comnet.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Silicon Comnet, I thought is cement, but it's Silicon Comnet Private Limited. And location is Noida, India, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much. If you want to learn about VAPT, check out this. If you want to learn about SOC, बाकी भाई ज्ञान चाहिए, कुछ सीखना है, कुछ समझना है, जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है एकदम. If you want to compete with Elon Musk, ज़्यादा हो गया. But anyways, if you want to compete, you can join our Discord channel, and this is our another YouTube channel, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube channel. There is no such query in the chat box. Have a great day. Jai Hind.